Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A brief introduction to Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Dear Islamic brothers and audience, Hazrat Khaja Mu'inuddin Chishti rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, commonly known as Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. He was 12th century Sufi saint and mystic who played a significant role in spreading Islam in the Indian subcontinent. His life and teachings have left a lasting impact, and his shrine in Ajmer, Rajasthan, India continues to attract millions of pilgrims and devotees from diverse backgrounds. Subhanallah. Hazrat Khaja Sahib birth and early life. Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh was born in 1142 century in Sistan, a region that is now part of Iran. His early education included Islamic studies and spiritual training, and he became disciple of Hazrat Khaja Uthman Haruni rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, a renowned Sufi saint. Spiritual journey. Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh devoted himself to the path of spirituality and asceticism. He spent several years in intense spiritual practices and self-discipline. During this period, he acquired a reputation of his piety and devotion. Migration to India. In the early 13th century, with the permission of his teacher Hazrat Khaja Uthman Haruni rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh embarked on a journey to India, a land that was known for its rich cultural diversity. He arrived in Delhi. Later he settled in Ajmer, where he continued to his mission of spreading the message of love, peace and unity. Subhanallah. Teachings and Sufi order. Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh was a proponent of Sufism, emphasizing the importance of love, compassion and service to humanity. His teachings attracted people from various religious and social backgrounds. He is credited with the founding the Chishti order, a prominent Sufi order that played a crucial role in the spread of Islam in South Asia. Miracles and popularity. Numerous miracles are attributed to Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, further enhancing his reputation as a saintly figure. His compassionate nature and willingness to help those in need earned him the title Gharib Nawaz, meaning the helper of the poor. Death and legacy. Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh passed away in 1236 century. His shrine in Ajmer, known as a Dargah Sharif, became a center of pilgrimage and remains one of the most visited Sufi shrines in the world. People of all faith visit this shrine seeking blessings and spiritual solace. Urs celebration. Every year, the Urs of Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh is celebrated with great fervor in the month of Rajab at his shrine in Ajmer. The Urs attracts millions of lovers of Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh from all across the world who come to pay their respect and seek the saint's blessing. Hazrat Khaja Gharib Nawaz's teachings continue to inspire people to embrace Islam, tolerance and the service of humanity. His legacy as a symbol of unity and spirituality endures, making him a revered figure in the history of Sufism in the Indian subcontinent. Subhanallah. Jazakallah.